Hello, friends. What are you guys waiting for?
Welcome to CJ's Playhouse.
Hello, friends. Today, we're going to be washing our hands. First, we're going to be rinsing our hands. Then, apply soap. This next part is very important. We have to wash our hands for at least 20 seconds. Keep on going, friends. Get the tops and the bottoms. We're almost there. Wash, 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 go, friends. We did it! Success! Now all that's left is to rinse your hands. Oh yeah, and dry them off. Alright friends, all clean. Thanks for washing your hands with me. Make sure you subscribe and click the bell. That way, you know I upload a video full of fun. Thanks for watching, friends. See you soon.